Hello, testing 1 2 3. Can you hear me? Test 1 2 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, looks like we're ready. So I'm doing a live broadcast, and we can switch over to back over to the system here. So just remember to mute the player when you go live, and unmute your microphone back over on StreamYard. And this is the exact setup that you should have when you go live. I'm just testing the WBXL system. I'm just testing the scenario where WBXL alumni, if they wanted to do their own show, they could come on and do their show using StreamYard and using the and using my station. It's very straightforward what they do here, and you have to make sure that when you're coming out of your session, if you want to talk over a song, doesn't matter if you're talking over a song or not. You must click next item before hitting end live session to get the playlist going again. Just hitting end live session will not do anything. You have to make sure to hit next item. I don't think it actually matters here. I haven't tried hitting end live session first, so I don't know exactly what's going to happen. And then next item. Uh, so I'm going to try this, and I'm going to see if this actually works. I'm going to hit end live session to come out of the break, and then I'm going to hit next item to get the playlist rolling again to see if that makes any difference. So bear with me. Let's see it. Try if it works. And Testing 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. And the lead host could unmute the mic and talk like this and be able to hear the others. And we're back live again. This is just a, here we're back live again. Looks like everything seems to be running in very good order. No technical issues that I'm aware of. Everything seems to be going just fine. Uh, only there are only a couple of things that I'm taking away from this. One thing that I just noticed is when you press go live, it should mute all the players so that when you go live, actually you're not hearing yourself. When you go live, you're not hearing yourself, and that causes the feedback. So that should be a new feature: muting all the players, muting both YouTube players or whatever. Yes, muting both YouTube players probably. Muting the YouTube player is probably a good idea. Uh, didn't really think of that before, but that's what happens in a real radio station when you turn on the mic. It mutes all of the external audio that you would normally hear through the speakers anyway. So that kind of emulates the same thing. And again, the benefit of that is you're only hearing yourself. And that means you're not hearing feedback that comes from hearing your voice outside of the speaker. I'm sorry. That comes from there's a benefit because you're only hearing yourself. You're not hearing other audio. You're not hearing yourself being played back, which causes distortion and feedback, which is something that we do not want to do. So let's pretend that we're going to end here. Or we're going to end this segment. We're going to come back, and I'm going to try pressing next item first, and then end live session. Because what that does is by pressing end live session first, that left boot up still in yellow. So I would imagine that if you press next item and then in live session, the yellow goes away. So we're going to try that. And I'm going to press next item. Nope, that does pretty much the same thing. I'm talking over the song, and can you actually hear me? I don't know if you can actually hear me, but here goes. You can't hear me talking over the phone because of all these switches to the player anyway. So that's not going to work. It's my session. We are back and we are live again. The host needs to make sure to unmute or to mute the players. But again, with my, I'm going to fix it so that whenever the host goes live, it mutes the players. So that's one thing I'm going to take away from this. I'm also going to take away from this the fact that no matter if you press next item first or online session first, it does the same thing. This will actually not make any difference, I don't think, to the hosts. We'll see. But I'm very, very excited to have to turn over the keys, so to speak, and to have other people, particularly alumni of WPXL, host their own shows on my station. Of course, I'm going to be there to observe, and I'll be in the StreamYard session to observe, supervise, monitor, and assist if they need any help from me. That's why I'm asking them to share their screen. That's why I'm also asking them to share their screen so that I can observe what's going on and provide assistance if necessary. And I'm very excited. Hopefully we'll get this off the ground soon. I'll put it on the Facebook page, the former WPXL DJs and friends Facebook page, and if anybody's interested, I will let them come on. I'll definitely let them come on this show. And I mean, they have the capabilities to do so. All they need is the StreamYard, and they're good to go. And it's streaming live on YouTube, so they'll be able to see it, and they'll be able to hopefully keep recording this if they want. So I'm going to sign off. The test has been completed, and thank you very much for listening. And I'm looking forward to implementing this for real sometime soon to get the WPXL alumni to host their own shows like they do over at Zeek.